Sveiki. Hello, this is the first lesson of Learn Lithuanian. I will teach you Lithuanian through phrases. So, these are your first sentences. Koks tavo vardas? What is your name? Koks tavo vardas? Mano vardas Petras. My name is Petras. Mano vardas Petras. Kaip gyveni? How are you? It's actually like saying how do you live? It's the same verb. Kaip gyveni? Gerai, o tu? Fine, and you? Gerai, o tu? Puikiai. Good. Puikiai. Kur gyveni? Where do you live? Kur gyveni? Aš gyvenu Lietuvoje, o tu? I live in Lithuania, and you? Aš gyvenu Lietuvoje, o tu? Aš gyvenu Amerikoje. I live in America. Aš gyvenu Amerikoje. Okay, now a little bit more sentences. And now, these are the most basic, most essential constructions in Lithuanian with interrogative particle ar. It's pronounced ar. Ar. So you will learn how to form questions. You just need to add ar in front of the sentence and add a question mark. Have a question, and the sentence will have the question intonation, and you will learn how to answer those questions, whether yes or no, taip or no, ne. I'm sorry, ne. Okay. Ar tavo vardas Petras? Is your name Petras? Ar tavo vardas Petras? Taip, mano vardas Petras. Yes, my name is Petras. Taip, mano vardas Petras. Ne, mano vardas Jonas. No, my name is Jonas. Ne, mano vardas Jonas. Ar tu gyveni Lietuvoje? Do you live in Lithuania? Ar tu gyveni Lietuvoje? Taip, aš gyvenu Lietuvoje. Yes, I live in Lithuania. Taip, aš gyvenu Lietuvoje. Ne, aš gyvenu Amerikoje. No, I live in America. Ne, aš gyvenu Amerikoje. Now the last task in this lesson is to make your own sentences. Mano vardas, it means my name is. Do you notice here that in Lithuanian sometimes we dismiss the verb to be? For example, mano vardas Petras. We don't say mano vardas yra Petras. In this situation we dismiss the verb to be or is. So make your make your own sentence. And now the other sentence, aš gyvenu. Aš gyvenu. Now Lithuanian noun has cases. So in order to say I live in England, for example, you have to change the nominative case of that word. For example, Anglija. Aš gyvenu Anglijoje. Anglijoje. It's the locative case. That means that inside it shows a sign that in English you have preposition in, and in Lithuanian you have only the noun case. The noun sending changes, and it changes according to this scheme. We'll learn about this locative case later, so I'll just read the examples. Anglija. Aš gyvenu Anglijoje. Prancūzija. Aš gyvenu Prancūzijoje. Meksika. Meksikoje. Libanas. Libane. Okay, that's it for this lesson.